And that's a piece of negotiating, because when you're in front of leadership, they're gonna ask you, well, okay, how many clients may go down, or how much of the business is gonna be affected, 10%, 50%, like, and you need to be able to be ready to answer those questions. And please, here's a free one. If you do not know the answer, do not make up anything. Please don't make up anything. I learned that really early on in my career, where I had, again, a mentor, project manager mentor, and he was like, listen, if you don't know the answer, just use this simple response. And I hope that you guys take this response as well, because it's very effective and it's very truthful. I don't have enough information to answer that correctly. Again, I do not have enough information to answer that correctly. However, and this is what I picked up on over time, because people started challenging that. And again, in anything in life, once you learn and once you have an opportunity to use something and apply it, and you realize, okay, there's more to it I need to add. I was like, however, I will go back and I would give a timeline, say, hey, I'll get you the answer within 2 days or 24 hours.